Hello guys, this is Sash from Maximum Paints. Welcome to my channel. Obviously it's first time I'm talking to my videos. Today we just want to show you a quick and short video how actually we paint these timber buttons. This is hardwood timber buttons all around the house, and we're not going to look really for nice finish because it's rough and we can't get any nice finish on these buttons. So this is gonna be just a beginner's tip or do-it-yourself tip on how you can actually paint it fastest and get the best results. So what we're gonna use, it's only rollers. We've got med roller, which is small roller, so I'm gonna show you now. And we're going to use big fluffy roller, which is 14 inch and 22 mil now. So this obviously was high pressure wash before. It's nice and clean. The paint we're going to use is just from Dulux. It's lotion exterior paint, weather shield lotion. It's called, I think, Antarctic Deep. It's pretty black, bluish black. All right. So we've got the med roller here, which is 11 mil nap, which is the hair. How fluffy is the roller? The hair of this roller, it's 11 mil nap, and it's 100 mils long, just around 10 centimeters. So that's how big is the roller, and that's how fluffy is the roller. The fluffiness of the roller is gonna help us get to all uneven places, which is any nail holes. We're not patching, we're not putting any putty on the nail holes. They've already been painted like this. So we're just repainting it how it is. It's pretty hard. It's pretty, like the timber, it's pretty good. So we're not gonna do any prep. So only if it's anywhere rotten, we just patch it. But at this part here, it's pretty good. So this is the med roller we're gonna use, and this here, it's the 14 inch 22 mil nap fluffy roller. So the hair, we're going to use that for the finish, for the faces. Alrighty, just gonna paint a bit. Use my Unipro tool to open the can. That's for the med roller. And here we go. So whole point of this video is, if someone wants to do these buttons by itself, we want to show you how to do it easier. Because if you don't know how, I mean, lots of painters are that they know what to do. Lots of painters are going to say, why you're not spraying? Well, we're not spraying because here we've got really, this house, the neighbor's house is pretty close to us. Inside of these buttons, it's on the house. It's a sort of garage, but it's open, and it's lots of preparation to be done for oil spray. So we don't want to oil spray anything. And for spraying outside, like buttons like this, it's really like you have to pick the time, the weather. So we don't want to spray. So I always usually trying to avoid spraying on the houses, but yeah, so we just want to show you how to do this easy and quick. So use the med roller. You will be lucky if you find these gaps here between the buttons wide enough so this med roller going to fit. If not, maybe you will find thinner roller or smaller roller of this, but if it's really tiny, which you're going to find on the fences, then you have to use brush. Then that's going to take so long. But if you don't know how, the people who don't know how to paint this, they're going to use maybe brush and just brush it, maybe for months. You will be brushing these two coats. So this way, what we're going to show you now is the easiest and quickest. So we're going with the med roller inside the buttons, up and down. So between the buttons, up and down. This is the rail here. You can just tap it, use a bit more paint on the roller. Just tap it between. You can just press inside. Just go all the way down. Do the other one. Just nice and easy and really quick. Because if you're going to use only brush on this, you will be doing it for weeks and weeks. Okay, this is going to take me around probably 10 minutes. Together with Ollie, we're just going to cut both sides and we will be back. All right, so before we start rolling with the big roller, I just want to show you where only we're going to use brush. We're going to use brush only where we have to cut around these aircon brackets or around water taps or stuff like that. We're just going to nicely cut around. Only enough, we don't touch it with the med roller or with the big roller. Usually these pipes will be painting, so to blend in with the buttons. So that can be at least one coat painted, and after that the roller, it will cover it. All right, let's roll the wall. With Ollie, we finish all the sides, up and down, both sides. It's already everything cut. We did it on the top, the sides, ready to roll. Alrighty, make sure you soak this roller pretty good in the paint. So start either from the middle, just apply the paint first, too much paint, then you're gonna roll it nicely, otherwise it will be dripping lots of paint everywhere. So there you go. Literally, it's been not even 10 seconds and 1 meter of these buttons, it's rolled. So again, I agree, spray gun, it's much faster, but not for this type of timber. This timber, it's really rough, and the spray gun, it's only surface and does not allow the pen to go between any cracks, any holes. This timber has got the saw. You can see the saw where the timber was cut. So again, like, it's not gonna go everywhere. But with this roller, actually, you just, with a bit of pressing, just fills any imperfections, holes, cracks of the timber. So there you go. This is approximately 3 meters long, and yeah, we've done it for under what? Let's say 1 minute rolling, and it was around 7 minutes of cutting between. So double the time, because you will need to put two coats. I think it's much faster than doing all of this by brush. So doing this by brush is going to take you so long, because here we've got 20 meter and 20 meter, 40 meter. We've got garage door, which is done with the same buttons. We've got lots of lenses and all of that stuff. So no, use rollers and do it this way. See you in the next video. Thank you.